YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be doing a minimalist desk tour setup just to show you how I have my desk set up, and if you're a minimalist or looking to be one, you could kind of have the same vibe. I would love to talk to you about the desk. The desk was an easy find, I would say, but a lot of them were expensive, and I was not looking for an expensive desk. I was looking for a desk that was affordable, adjustable, and just the right size for me. This is a Flexispot desk that's adjustable, and it really fits my needs. You can literally just come here and either set it to a certain height that you want it, and boom, you're there. And if you don't want it to be adjustable or get into a higher height where you're standing, you can have it low and sit down. And that's what I really like about it, because sometimes you don't want to sit down, sometimes you want to stand up, and sometimes you don't want to stand up, you want to sit down. So you have that choice. The next thing is the monitor. The monitor is big. I like big. With the monitor setup, I was gonna get 2 monitors, but I felt like I didn't need that. I just wanted something where I'm editing and I can just literally have everything surrounding me without having 2 monitors. So I did a little bit of research, and I've seen people with 38 inches curved monitors, 23, 28. And the biggest one I saw was 49, but I said, I don't know, I think that's a little too big for me. So Samsung had a 43 inch, and I fell in love. I said, man, this would perfectly fit my desk. And look, it does. It really does. This monitor is really good. It's curved, ultra wide. You can edit fine on there. The speed of it is great. The audio is great. And yeah, it's an easy setup with your Mac Mini, which will bring me to my computer. It's a Mac Mini, a space gray Mac Mini with a Magic keyboard and a Magic mouse. Both work very fine for me. I've also seen people with I think it's the Logic mouse. I may try that in the future. I heard it's very comfortable, but I'm used to the Apple mouses and keyboards. I think that it's important when you're editing to have good headphones. I have a special kind of headphones because I got it while traveling in Africa. I'm not really big on having too much name brands, but those headphones work perfectly. I don't see anything wrong with having headphones that just work for you. It's perfect, you know? I also have my 13-inch MacBook. Also, I have this little stand here for my MacBook. Just makes it easy to place it somewhere, because sometimes I don't want it to just sit here. It's in the way. So I like to just, oh, okay, let me put that right there. And look, it's just perfect. And that's called a Macally, really, really affordable MacBook holder. I also have all these things in the description, so if you may want it. The next thing is my lamp. This lamp, wow, this is the best lamp I've ever had, because you can have it doing anything you want. First of all, look at that. Like, it can bend, it can just be anything you want it to be, whenever you want it to be. And it's also good for like the backdrop of a video, So very, very nice, cool lamp. You don't have to worry about breaking it. It's just really cool. Well, you see, that's pretty much all I have on my desk. It's such a small, light desk, you know what I mean? You don't need too much stuff on this desk. But the last thing I do have, which I've always had a problem with, was cords. Because, under the desk is always a problem. If you want to plug something new in, either you don't have space or everything is just tangled. So I think it's very important that, you have just something that can keep your cords organized. So that's kind of something that I have. Also, I forgot the name of what I have, so I'll have the link in the description, so that way you also have an idea of what you would want for your desk setup. But yeah, that's pretty much it. my minimalistic desk tour setup, and yeah, I hope this helps you. All right, thanks for watching.